来看国际消息，看起来为着减税、要扩大军费，也佮有暂停债务上限这类措施，马斯克甲川普已经毋是好马子啊。因为马斯克认为讲，美国的债务会增加到2.5兆美金，遮尔大条哦。也川普是讲，伊对马斯克就失望的，呛马斯克是规个小公器。马斯克听到川普安尼讲嘛，无咧软，伊讲若无伊川普这个总统根本就选袂掉，佮公开表态讲支持来弹劾川普。
顶礼拜拄则结束政府效率部的工作，一般好野人马斯克甲美国总统川普公开见面。川普最高伫咧白宫接受访问时阵讲，对马斯克批评伊的大国税的基础法案真失望。
I'm very disappointed because Elon knew the inner workings of this bill better than almost anybody sitting here, better than you people. He knew everything about it. He had no problem with it. All of a sudden, he had a problem. And he only developed the problem when he found out that we're going to have to cut the EV mandate because that's billions and billions of dollars, and it really is unfair.
自白宫最近翕相到伫咧社群媒体互相呛声，这条一般好野人甲上有权势总统之间，两人互相批评的话是愈讲愈歹听。马斯克吹沙声批评川普大国税的基础法案是，互人真想要吐看到就万分的物件，互伊甲川普政府的逼损是愈逼愈大。 要拿川普最高伫咧伊家己的社群平台发文讲，马斯克愈来愈无路用啊！伊要求马斯克离开。马斯克要批评川普忘恩背义，也佫讲，若是无去，川普伫咧大选时阵早就死去。两人见面的原因，是因为川普大利税的基础法案减少电动车补助，要让双方的关系就恶化。美国股市主要指数伫咧拜四全部拢收乌，特斯拉的股票当盘要到14%，伫咧盘中八盘超过15%，其他第一天就损失超过1000亿美金，大约代表3条。
For EV, everyone knew tax credit was going to get taken out. That's not necessarily the surprise. It's this battle between friends. That basically, these are almost like a junior high school battle that is now happening between Musk and Trump.
川普甲马斯克伫咧社群平台互相呛声，马斯克佫讲出一个正超级的消息，讲川普甲已经过身的性犯罪者好野人爱普斯坦的名单内面有关系。马斯克也指控川普的关税政策将会让美国下半年的经济衰退，并且支持弹劾川普由副总统范斯来取代。 白宫是发声明回应，讲马斯克因为对大利税法案不满，才会讲出这款互人遗憾的话。因为这个法案并无包括伊想要提的政策。公司新闻张伟林编写。